everyone. Wish you a very happy and prosperous New Year 2022. It is said that the beginning of the journey defines the journey. While we are all set to start our 2022, the mindset, the approach towards the good and bad, the success and failure, and the pleasant and unpleasant situations are going to decide how we are going to conduct our lives in 2022. The wisdom lies in accepting, understanding, and moving on with whatever is in the package of 2022. Whatever unfolds in 2022, we should be able to understand and accept. To add on to this 2022, I have 3 suggestions for you. The first one is living up to the commitments. Whenever we live up to our words, we grow in our eyes. The most unfortunate thing in our lives can be falling in our own eyes. When we commit something and don't do it, we are shaping a belief in our subconscious mind that even when we commit, we are not able to accomplish it. And this will extend to the goals also. Now start committing yourself in private, wherein you are accomplishing your own targets. Then you can extend it to the public commitments. Let us not be a product of circumstances. Let us be a product of our decisions and commitments. The second suggestion is to expand our comfort zones. Earlier it was that we have to break away or get rid of comfort zones. It is not so now. We have to expand our comfort zones because in comfort zones we recharge ourselves. It is a place of safety and progress. The comfort zones have to be nurtured in the way that we are expanding our emotions and also working on our full potential. The comfort zones are to be expanded by overcoming the fears, understanding the necessity, and finally living up to our commitments. And the third and the most important thing is to practice happiness. We all know what we practice, we get very better over it. If we practice laziness, we'll get better over it. If we practice sadness, we'll get better over it. So let us practice happiness. Just we need to understand that we are not just a bundle of thoughts and emotions that have been packed up in a body. We are a beautiful creation on this planet, and let not create boundaries for ourselves wherein even life cannot touch us. Let us stop living in just emotions and thoughts. Let us open up for everything in life. Joy and happiness are portable. Let us carry them everywhere. Let the default state of mind be happiness. So friends, wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year. On this New Year, let us try to embark on a new journey in 2022 by adopting these 3 things which I have already told you. Let us make this life more healthier, happier, with fulfillment. Thank you very much.